Hey everyone, I want to talk to you today about mistletoe. Mistletoe is we're starting to see it all over the place right now. It's always been there. It starts to show up as the leaves start to drop. That's whenever you really see it. A lot of people get excited this time of year when they see mistletoe because it kind of puts you in the Christmas spirit, makes you think Christmas. But it's not a good thing. Your trees do not like mistletoe. Mistletoe is a parasite that has attached itself to your tree if you've got it, and it is penetrating the root system of mistletoe, penetrates the branches, and it sucks water and it sucks nutrients out of your tree, and it will kill the sections that it's attached to. So you've got to get rid of it. If you've got mistletoe, you want to just remove the branch completely where your tree is infected, about a foot up from where it's attached. That's what you want to do. Just cut it off completely. It's not something that's going to kill your tree completely overnight, but it will cause damage, severe damage long term. It will shorten the lifespan of your tree if you've got it. So you definitely want to do something about it. And it will also spread if you don't do anything about it. It spreads by seeding. Birds and squirrels and whatnot. They'll help it spread throughout the rest of your tree or to other trees on your property. So that's why that's another reason why you want to get out there and cut the branches off that are infected with this parasite. It likes cedar elms. It likes oak trees, hackberries. So any of those, go out there and take a look at them. Remove any branches that you see that are infected. It's also a sign if you've got mistletoe on your trees. It's a sign that your tree's not very healthy. Mistletoe doesn't like to attack trees that are thriving and healthy. You either got a watering issue, you've got something that's weakening the tree, disease, insect. It could be any of those things. So if you've got it and you've got it pretty bad, just think about that and try to figure out what else is going on. What can you do to help improve the health of your tree? Maybe you need a deep root feeding, up the watering or something to help the overall health of your tree. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, let us know. We'll be glad to help you out. Thanks.